I guess all at once. It's a lot of weight on your fucking...
Is it higher than it was?
Yeah.
I'm Slow Motion, we're at Rednecks. This is day one, and you know, I already broke it. Luckily, Aries here has the portable welder in the back of his truck. He's got his own welding rig. He's getting me taken care of.
We got camp set up.
We took the buggy out. Tested out for the first time with these tires. The motor does all right. I didn't get on it completely. I didn't want to be covered, but we'll get there eventually. This is day one, so we're not trying to break it. Get Twisted is getting a new water pump. The old one was leaking last night. We were doing a little testing. Not ideal. Autumn was bogging deep in the Defender, and they got stuck. So we figured we'd save them. It didn't work. What happened?
That was not my choice. I was passenger princess, and they just made me go in the mud. We got to the top of that hill right there, and he said, we're gonna get you over this fear as we're going down the hill. He goes, I'm gonna go slow. And I said, no, I'd rather get it over with. And it felt like a roller coaster, and we got stuck.
She's got a little bit of fear of getting sideways, getting off camber. She's slowly working on it. We're trying to ease her into it, but Kendall tried to jump start that Kendall tried to get her over that fear a little quicker. I don't think it worked. Our flag, the wind's blowing it the wrong direction, but our flagpole, the wind's blowing it the wrong direction, but our flagpole mount is working out. So tires, can't see the white no more. We'll get her all cleaned up after this weekend. Jakey's been bogging around the old Chinese four-wheeler. What do you think so far? It's your first time here.
It's pretty badass. There's some crazy rigs. A lot of money been spent on broken parts in the first day.
That's right. It's only noon day one. A lot of things have broke. We haven't broke too much yet, but there has been a lot of things break. Any advice if this is their first time here?
No half sends, full sends only.
Go full send. If you're gonna go in the pit, commit, because if you don't commit, you're gonna get stuck. 100%?
100%, that's a fact.
I figured out the problem with it. I told him the dang radiator cap. It's attached to a piece of shit. So what we need to do, we need to jack the radiator cap up, and we need to replace everything underneath it, and it'll be good to go. Back to me. Looks like Get Twisted's ready to go again. We're gonna go see what we can't tear up. Hopefully just a mud pit. Here goes Kendall. Get Twisted. pretty sure it's train fluid, but he's smoking pretty good. We'll find out here in a second. My stock pickup truck could have done that. We're halfway through day one and we ain't broken.
I'm with him. He's not breaking nothing.
What did you do, Lena?
What'd you do?
That's why we can't have anything nice. How bad is it?
$4 grand.
No way.
Yeah.
It's cracked?
Yeah, we cracked on.
You gotta be kidding me.
Pretty bad.
He shattered the transfer. He shattered the case. That sucks.
Right in front of the mount.
Right.
Right in front of the mount.
Where's the mount on those? Is it right where the transfer case mount together? Pretty sure that's gonna get twisted out for the rest of the event. That's unfortunate. Here comes all the big boys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This thing is massive. That's my favorite right there. I love that thing. Cashed out. Well, we made it to the back 40 mud pit. We got Jacob in tow. Little four-wheeler. We got a little Autumn. She's loving it. A little side-by-side action. That truck got a cable wrapped around it. One of its front tires last night. Jacob got some footage of it. That was pretty sweet. Well, it wasn't sweet for him, but it looked really... It wasn't sweet for him, but it looked really cool. This pit, unlike the other pits, have a really hard bottom. And it doesn't look as thick. It doesn't look as thick. I think we can just ease around in it and not have any issues. What do you think? Think we'd be able to ease around and not have any issues? I mean, we're better than the Defender 100%. He's just driving. He's not even four-wheel drive.
I mean, you might.
It's got a pretty good bottom in it. You think the buggy would do all good?
You might, but we know.
You don't want to do it? What if I did it a couple times and didn't have any issues? Would you try it?
I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe tomorrow?
I did okay with me driving, so I don't know.
You want to drive it?
No.
Why not?
I can't. It hurts.
Hit your foot? So, a couple weeks ago we were moving logs and I knew better, but I was lowering the tractor bucket as she was walking towards the tractor and I dropped the tractor bucket on her foot and smashed the crap out of it. So, lesson to be learned here, folks. If you're going to operate a piece of equipment, don't do it when somebody's around. Just stop and wait for them to get out of the way. We're going to try out this back 40 mud pit with Lena. Autumn's too scared at the moment. We're going to do it in two-wheel drive. We're in two. Floor it. It's a lot nicer.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's got a really hard bottom. such a hard bottom on it. Yeah, it's hot. Tell the people what they want to hear. I'm gonna bog through the mud with Dakota. Say, I'm gonna bog through the mud with slow motion. Come on, tell us.
I'm gonna bog through the mud with slow motion.
Ah, that's what I'm talking about. I love you, babe.
What's on the other side of this hill?
Another mud pit.
Oh.
You know what's crazy? I just realized there's a road here. We're like 300 feet from a DUI right now, you know? That thing got a Hemi?
Whatever it's got, it smokes a little bit, but it still runs.
Hey, mine will bog for about 3.5 minutes in the pit before it overheats. I finally figured out why it kept getting hot. Feel this. Put your hand up here. Feel how it's blowing?
Yeah.
I had the freaking wires backwards to it instead of blowing, or instead of sucking air through the radiator, it was pushing. So the fan's a lot more efficient when it's sucking air. I had it backwards. Kendall, make sure I understand this right. We gonna build a trans down here and throw it in?
Probably.
I'm down. We got
I don't know if
plenty.
I don't know if I'm down yet.
We got plenty of help. It's gonna be a chore.
We can get it out 100%, but he has to build it. I remember a little bit.
So we're gonna get a case?
We're gonna try to. If not, we'll pull something through. We always do.
This is a badass rig, dude.
That's my pants.
What'd you say?
This motherfucker's big, isn't it?
Yeah, that's cute, right?
Jacob's never been in anything like that. That ride with Kendall was the first ride he's ever had. I bet he's losing it right now. How was he doing when you guys went?
It's okay.
He was probably just gripping real tight.
Oh, yeah. Did you get scared over that hill?
Yeah, the first time I jumped or I bounced around. I had to grab the whole shit handle. Almost lost the GoPro.
Hell yeah, what do you think, brother? 2-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I think we can climb up to the dam.
Okay, yeah. With 4-wheel, surely. Be embarrassing if not.
Huh?
Be embarrassing if not.
Yeah.
There's some good fucking raindrops.
Huh?
There's some good raindrops coming.
Big raindrops, dude. Here we go. Going up.
I give it hour 45. Pretty close, like. Maybe an hour and 15. He's gotten pretty good at this. This is what, transmission number 5 in the last week.
Fucking shit's going slick now. Try to lay it down once.
How long do you think it'll take for them to take the transmission out and put it in? Like, do it all. Eli will be back in like probably an hour.
I'd say 3 hours.
3 hours?
3 hours.
How fast are you gonna build this transmission? All in all, out and in.
We'll see. I don't know.
No, you have to guess. I've been asking everybody. I have like 7 answers right now.
3 hours.
3 hours? Out and in.
3.5 maybe.
I'm sitting there slaving away.
Well, you're smoking up like crazy.
What are you wearing? So what are you wearing?
No, that's how he's been all weekend.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, yep.
Who needs a tire?
Damn it, Bobby. That sucks. That was a clean looking fucking truck. About 15 minutes ago.
Can we see it? Okay. Oh wait, there. Okay, so we don't know a lot about transmission, so how long do we think it'll take? They have to take the whole transmission out, put it back in.
But this is the 3rd time, so maybe they...
3rd or 4th or 5th? Okay, so Eli's on his way back. I think he's about an hour out. They're taking it out now. And I've already asked a bunch of people. I'm gonna go with all in all, out and in. So this starts this. So we have to start this.
You gonna say your name?
Elena. Okay, I think 2 hours and 35 minutes. What do you think?
I think they can do it in an hour and a half.
Hour and a half?
Yep.
Okay, we'll see.
The party's gonna go all night, but we're turning in for the night. We're gonna stab that trans in the morning, and we're gonna tear it up. I'm Dakota. You can call me Slow Motion. Thanks for watching.
Look, hey. Like it was nothing. That thing was badass before they fucking... I love those old Chevy trucks.